Changing the timer settings is carried out from the standby position that you can see here. It's done by a combination of button presses and LED observations. The first thing that you've got to do is to select a feature, and a feature has a number that can be seen on the chart in the manual. Here's the chart. Each feature's number is exactly the same as the number of push button presses needed to select it. But before you can select it, you have to get to the feature selection period, and I'm going to show you that now. I'm holding the button down, the LED will go out, and I can hold my thumb on that button for as long as I like, nothing's going to happen. When I release the button, then the LED will glow dimly, and that is the feature selection period, and then it will revert to standby because I'll do nothing. Here we go. There's the dim, and it's gone back to standby. The next time that I do this, when I get into the feature selection period, I shall press the button once, and that will select feature 1. But because I don't change that feature, what it will do is report the current settings. Here we go. Holding the button down, LED's gone out, I'm still holding the button, I'm ready now for the feature selection period. There it is, press the button once, now it's selecting the feature, it's gone into the feature, and now it will report. For 5 flickers. That shows a setting of 5 seconds. A flickering setting is a 1 second increment. 5 of them means 5 seconds. Now the next time that I access feature 1, I'm going to change the setting to 55 seconds. When you enter the timing settings, if you give a long press, which is where the LED will go solid during that procedure, that will put a 10-second increment in there. If you give a short press, which is when you release the button while it's flickering, that is a 1 second increment. So here we go. So I'm going to select feature 1. When I get into feature 1, then I'm going to change it. Select feature 1. That's a long press, that's 10 seconds. And another 10 seconds. And another 10 seconds. So that's 30 seconds. Now a short press. That's 5 short presses. Now another long press. And another long press, and now I've stopped. It will report 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short. That's 5 times 10 and 5 times 1. So that's 55 seconds, and now it's gone back into standby. Now I'm going to select that feature again, and I'm going to change it back to the factory settings. Holding the button, LED out, ready for feature selection when I release. Select feature 1, into feature 1, 3, 4, 5 short presses, and reporting 2, 3, 4, 5 short flashes. So that shows that we're back to a 5-second motor run. In the next video we'll look at changing the motor speed.